Till 5, welcome back. Some of you are planning your Thanksgiving feast. If going organic is on the menu, we have just the thing.
A Kerrville couple is raising and selling pasture-raised turkeys. Drew and Sarah Trainum say the idea just kind of took off. Weeks before Thanksgiving, they sold out of the turkeys. Although the couple admits it can be a pricier option, they say the health benefits make it worth it. Not long ago, Drew realized he could no longer stomach processed meat.
I got sick with basically a stomach problem.
All the processed junk that's on the shelves kind of does something to you. And
went to several doctors and they basically said we're going to do exploratory surgery.
Well, for pasture raised, you are looking at about $7 a pound. Regular turkeys, though, can be as low as $1 a pound for the Thanksgiving holiday.
Okay, check this